Today, we will start a very interesting story on value education for class 6. The name of the story is Androcles and the Lion from Inner Circle. Let us start the story. Androcles was a Greek slave of a Roman consul who ruled a part of Africa. One day he escaped from his cruel master and fled to a forest. After wandering for a long time, he went to rest in nearby cave, tired and hungry. Just as he was about to lie down, he heard the roaring and moaning of a lion. Androcles rose and tried to escape. As he made his way out through the bushes, he stumbled over the root of a tree and fell down. He tried to get up and run, but it was too late. The lion had followed him and was standing right in front of him. Androcles was petrified. He did not have the strength to rise again. He thought that the lion would definitely kill him. But to his great surprise, instead of attacking him, the beast kept on moaning and groaning and held out his right paw. Androcles realized that the lion was seeking help from him as he was injured. Androcles gathered enough courage and took the paw in his hands. He saw a great big thorn pressed into the paw. He pulled it out, forced the pus out, and bandaged it. The lion felt quite relieved and recovered from the injury. He fawned upon Androcles and showed great affection towards him. He became tame like a pet and wagged his tail. Androcles and the lion became thick friends and shared their meals together. Clear? Several days later, Androcles was captured by Roman soldiers, taken back to the city, and displayed in the slave market. Once his master found him, he took Androcles to the emperor's court. Androcles was condemned to death for running away from his master, for which he was to be thrown to the lions in the Circus Maximus of Rome. During those times, it was customary to throw convicts to the lions in a huge circus, so that while the criminals were punished, the public could enjoy the spectacle of a combat between the victims and the wild beasts. On the appointed day, Androcles was led into the circus arena where a caged lion was waiting to pounce on him. The emperor and a huge crowd in the arena were expecting a violent end to Androcles. To everyone's surprise, the lion came out of the cage, shifted Androcles, and stroked him with his paw. Androcles realized that the lion was his friend from the cave. The emperor was surprised to see such strange behavior from the beast, summoned Androcles and listened to his story. Impressed by their friendship, the emperor pardoned Androcles and ordered his master to set him free. The lion was also set free and taken back into the forest. So, students, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is gratitude is the sign of noble souls. That means this is connecting a fact. The fact that even animals display gratitude and become friends for life is clearly brought out in this particular story. Androcles displays kindness and courage while dealing with the lion, and the lion rewards him with a lifelong friendship that is based on mutual trust and helpfulness. Their friendship is a true example of intimate, real, courteous, and sincere relationship. Gratitude is the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. In positive psychology research, gratitude is strongly and consistently associated with greater happiness. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotions, relish good expressions or good experiences, improve their health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships. People feel and express gratitude in multiple ways. When we express gratitude and receive the same, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the two crucial neurotransmitters responsible for our emotions, and they make us feel good. They enhance our mood immediately, making us feel happy from the inside. Gratitude can change our life because it makes us appreciate when we have rather than what we do not have. Gratitude can change our life because it is the single most powerful source of inspiration that any person can tap into if they simply just stop and paid attention to the simplistic beauty and miracle of life. Today, we have learned some values from this story. What are those values? Kindness. That means we should be helpful and considerate to people in need. This is the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. Affection, gentleness, warmth, concern, and care are words that are associated with kindness. While kindness has a connotation of meaning someone is weak, that is not the case. Being kind often requires courage and strength. It is important to be kind because it makes us feel good about ourselves. Doing things for other people, helping them with maths or homework or anything, it just makes us feel warm that we accomplished something. Kindness is a give and get thing a bit like respect. If we want respect, we must give respect. Kindness is a type of behavior marked by acts of generosity, consideration, or concern for others without having an expectation of praise or reward. Next value is friendship. That means a friend is a person who we know well and like very much, one whom we can trust and are very close to. Our relationship with such a friend is called friendship. Friendship for most people is a combination of affection, loyalty, love, respect, and trust. True friendship when someone knows you better than ourselves and takes a position in our best interests in a crisis. Friendship goes beyond just sharing time together and it is long lasting. Good friends are loyal and accept us for who we are during the good and bad times. Good friends are also honest, honest enough to tell us when we are not being a good friend ourselves. Along with good friends who are present, loyal, and honest, most people want friends who are trustworthy. Friendship helps us deal with stress, make better lifestyle choices that keep us strong, and allow us to rebound from health issues and disease more quickly. Friendship is equally important to our mental health. Next value is helpfulness. That means we should make ourselves useful to someone, especially when they are in need. Numerous studies have documented the effects of helping others, of people of all ages, from preschoolers to high school students and working professionals, because giving makes us happier and happiness makes us give more. It is a never ending cycle of feel good virtue. Volunteering our time, money, or energy to help others does not just make the world better, it also makes us better. Studies indicate that the very act of giving back to the community boosts our happiness, health, and sense of well being. Here are seven scientific benefits of lending a hand to those in need. Next value is trust. It means extreme belief in something or someone. Trust is defined as to have confidence, faith, or hope in someone or something. An example of trust is believing that the sun will rise in the morning. Trust is both an emotional and logical act. Emotionally, it is where we expose our vulnerabilities to people, but believing they will not take advantage of our openness. We feel trust. Emotions associated with trust include companionship, friendship, love, agreement, relaxation, and comfort. Next value is courage. That means We should be brave and fearless. Courage, bravery, valor, bravado refer to qualities of spirit and conduct. Courage permits one to face extreme dangers and difficulties without fear. Bravery implies true courage with daring and an intrepid boldness. Courageous people believe in themselves. They have strong values, recognize their personal capabilities, and are confident in meeting the challenges that lie before them. Courageous people are passionate and purposeful. Next value is courtesy. That means showing a polite and respectful attitude towards others. If we are courteous, our good manners show friendliness and concern for others, like our courteous habit of holding the door for people entering a building with us. So, courteous behavior is a reminder of the value of good manners. Courtesy is very important in life because when we are courteous, people have a good impression of us and respect automatically follows instead of hatred. Learning to have courtesy is must for everyone who desires to make progress in life. Courtesy is a small investment that pays off well and big. Is that clear, students? Now, in this slide, I will give you some questions. You can see that this is the page of questionnaire, and we will discuss those questions over here. Please follow the instruction first. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did Androcles run away from his master? So students, you can write your answer like this. Androcles ran away from his master because his master was cruel. Question number 2. How must the lion have felt after Androcles relieved him from pain? So, your answer should be like this. When Androcles relieved the lion from pain, he felt recovered. The lion fawned upon Androcles and showed great affection towards him. He became tame like a pet and wagged his tail. Next one. Question number 3. How did the lion reciprocate Androcles' kindness during Androcles' stay in the forest? So, you can write your answer in this way. Androcles and the lion became thick friends. They hunted together and shared their meals. This is how the lion reciprocated Androcles' kindness during Androcles' stay in the forest. Next question. Question number 4. Why was Androcles captured? So, your answer should be like this. Roman soldiers came marching through the forest and found Androcles. As he could not explain what he was doing in the forest. They took him prisoner and brought him back to the city from where he had fled. Next one. Question number 5. Why was Androcles condemned to death? So, what will be your answer? Androcles was condemned to death for running away from his master. Next question. Question number 6. How were the criminals punished in the arena? So, during those times, it was customary to throw convicts to the lions in a huge circus, so that while the criminals were punished, the public could enjoy the spectacle of a combat between the victims and the wild beasts. So, students, you can write your answer in this way. Next question. Question number 7. What was the surprise that awaited the spectators when the lion entered the arena? So, your answer should be like this. The spectators expected a violent battle. However, when the lion came out of its cage, it came near Androcles and sniffed him. Instead of jumping upon him, it stroked him with its paw and made no attempt to do him any harm. Next question. Question number 8. How was the power of friendship between Androcles and the lion rewarded? So, you can write your answer in this way. Impressed by their friendship, the emperor pardoned Androcles and ordered his master to set him free. The lion was also set free and taken back into the forest. So, students, you will practice these questions and you can practice more from your exercise in your inner circle book. So, today we are ending our lesson over here. Thank you.